Liam was an explorer who had traveled to many distant and dangerous places, but nothing had prepared him for the frozen lands of ardent Glacier. The glacier stretched for miles, its white surface sparkling under the pale winter sun. Every step he took on the ice made a soft crunching sound that echoed through the quiet mountains. The cold air stung his cheeks, and each breath came out as a cloud of mist. Liam had always loved adventure, but this journey felt different. There was something unusual here, something hidden beneath the thick ice. Local villagers had told him strange stories about a massive hole in the glacier. They called it the Whispering Hole, because, according to legend, it made sounds that no one could explain. Some said it sang like a wind through a pipe, while others claimed it hummed like a living creature sleeping deep below the surface. No one had ever dared to go down, and many who approached the hole had turned back, frightened by the eerie noises. Liam listened carefully to these stories, feeling both nervous and excited. He believed there was something real hidden in the ice, something worth discovering. He spent days preparing for the journey. His backpack was full of essential equipment: heavy ropes, powerful lights, a camera to record every moment, food supplies, and extra warm clothing. He checked everything twice, making sure nothing was missing. Liam was careful. Even the strongest explorers could fail if they ignored small details in a place like this. The day before he left, he studied maps of the glacier, noting the safest paths to reach the hole. He also read about the dangers of ice caves and crevasses. The wind and snow could change the landscape at any moment, and one wrong step could be disastrous. When the morning finally came, Liam set out with determination. The sun had just risen, painting the glacier in soft shades of orange and pink. The wind was cold, but Liam felt a thrill of excitement. He walked steadily, following the tracks he had marked on the map. The silence around him was complete, broken only by the sound of his boots on the ice. Occasionally, he paused to listen. The glacier was alive in its own way, and the distant hum of the Whispering Hole seemed to call him forward. As he approached the massive hole, Liam felt the ground tremble slightly beneath his feet. The hole was larger than he had imagined, wide enough to swallow a small house. Its edges were jagged and icy, forming natural pillars that reflected the sunlight in dazzling patterns. Shadows stretched across the walls, creating shapes that seemed almost human. Liam stood at the edge, holding his rope tightly, his heart racing. The strange sounds grew louder. They were low and deep, a mixture of humming and whispering that filled the icy air. It was unlike anything he had ever heard. He took a deep breath and began his preparations to descend. Liam carefully tied his rope around a strong ice pillar, testing it to make sure it could hold his weight. He adjusted his harness and secured his flashlight to his helmet. Every step required careful attention. The walls of the hole were slippery, and one mistake could send him falling. As he peered down into the darkness, the humming sound seemed to change, as if it was aware of his presence. Liam shivered, not from the cold, but from the strange feeling that something watched him from below. Slowly, he began to lower himself into the hole. The rope creaked under his weight, and the icy walls glistened in the beam of his light. Shadows danced on the walls, and the deeper he went, the darker it became. The hum grew louder, filling his ears and making his chest feel tight. Liam stopped for a moment, letting his eyes adjust to the darkness. He could see shapes moving in the shadows, or perhaps his imagination was playing tricks on him. He shook his head, trying to focus. This was real. This was his adventure. As he descended further, the temperature dropped even more. Cold air blew from the depths of the glacier, chilling his fingers and toes. Liam adjusted his gloves and kept moving. He could see strange ice formations growing from the walls like frozen trees. Some of the formations were clear and smooth, while others were rough and sharp, creating patterns that reminded him of ancient sculptures. The beauty of the glacier amazed him, but the strange sounds kept him alert. They were constant, moving with the rhythm of the wind and the shifting ice. After what felt like hours, Liam reached a ledge partway down the hole. He tied the rope securely and rested for a moment, catching his breath. From here, the hole opened into a vast chamber, deeper and larger than he had imagined. The walls glowed faintly with a blue light that seemed to come from within the ice itself. The humming sound was stronger here, vibrating through the ice and making the ledge beneath him tremble slightly. Liam felt a mix of fear and excitement. He knew he was close to something extraordinary. He took out his camera and began recording. Every sound, every movement, every shadow might be important. As he looked around, he noticed strange markings on the walls of ice. They looked like symbols, carved by someone or something long ago. The markings were faint but detailed, and Liam could not understand their meaning. He wondered if they were natural formations or signs left by explorers before him. The thought gave him chills. Whoever or whatever had been here had left its mark, and now he was following in its footsteps. Liam's mind was full of questions, but he knew he had to keep moving. The deeper part of the glacier awaited him, and he could not turn back now. He checked his rope, his lights, and his camera, then began the next part of his descent. The ice chamber stretched far below him, and the humming sound seemed to come from a hidden source deep in the glacier. Liam's heart beat faster. He was not just an explorer now. He was an investigator of a mystery that no one had solved before. Every step took him closer to the unknown. Liam felt a mixture of fear and excitement. The whispering hole was no longer just a story. It was real, and he was inside it. The cold air, the glowing ice, the strange sounds, and the mysterious markings all pointed to something hidden deep below. Liam could not see it yet, but he could feel it. Something waited for him at the bottom of the glacier, and he was determined to discover it. Liam descended slowly, each movement careful and deliberate. The icy walls of the glacier seemed to close in around him, yet the space stretched wide below him. The strange humming noise grew louder, vibrating through the rope and the ice beneath his hands. He paused for a moment, letting the sound fill his ears. It was not like any wind he had felt before. It was deep, almost alive, as if the glacier itself was breathing. When he finally reached the bottom of the first ledge, Liam shone his flashlight across the chamber. The space was massive, far larger than he had imagined from the surface. Stalactites of ice hung from the ceiling like frozen crystals. They reflected the light, scattering tiny rainbow colors across the walls. The floor of the chamber was uneven, covered in a mix of snow and smooth ice. The markings on the walls became clearer here. They looked like circles and lines, patterns that seemed almost deliberate. Liam bent closer, touching the ice gently. The surface was cold, but he could feel faint ridges under his fingers, carved carefully long ago. He took out his notebook and sketched some of the patterns. Who could have done this? He whispered to himself. No one had explored this far before, at least not that he knew. Liam thought about the local stories again. Perhaps they were right. Perhaps something extraordinary existed beneath the glacier. The humming noise seemed to pull him forward. Liam moved cautiously across the icy floor, keeping his flashlight focused on the ground to avoid slipping. Every few steps, he noticed faint cracks in the ice. The sound of the glacier shifted with each movement he made, echoing in strange ways. It almost seemed like the ice was speaking to him, guiding him deeper into the chamber. As he approached the center, Liam saw a strange formation. Ice had formed into a large hollow, shaped almost like a doorway. Beyond the opening, darkness stretched endlessly. The humming was louder here, more constant, as if something waited just inside the hollow. Liam's curiosity surged. He shone his light into the opening, but the beam was swallowed by the blackness. He could not see the bottom. The ice around the opening glowed faintly blue, as if holding a secret that had been hidden for centuries. He tied a new rope to a sturdy ice pillar near the doorway and prepared to descend further. Liam felt a mix of fear and excitement. This part of the glacier had never been explored. The stories might have been warnings, but for Liam, they were challenges. He took a deep breath, tightened his gloves, and stepped toward the dark hollow. The descent was slow. The ice walls were smooth here, almost polished. Liam carefully placed his feet and used his rope to control the speed of his fall. As he went deeper, the temperature dropped even more. Frost formed on his beard and eyebrows, and his breath came out in thick clouds. The humming grew louder and more distinct. It was no longer a simple sound of wind through ice. It had rhythm like a heartbeat. Liam stopped for a moment and listened. His heart seemed to match the sound, quickening with every beat. Finally, he reached the bottom. The chamber opened into a vast underground hall. The space was enormous, larger than any cave he had ever entered. The walls and ceiling were made of pure ice, shining with a soft blue glow that seemed to come from within the ice itself. Strange ice formations stretched from the floor and ceiling, some tall as trees, some small and intricate like sculptures. The patterns of the walls were clearer here, showing circles, lines, and symbols arranged in deliberate sequences. Liam felt as if he had stepped into another world, one hidden beneath the glacier for centuries. He turned his flashlight slowly, trying to take in everything. The humming noise filled the chamber, but now it had a softer quality, almost musical. Liam took out his camera and began recording. Every shadow, every formation, every sound was important. He moved closer to one of the larger ice pillars. The symbols on it were more complex than those he had seen before. They looked like they could tell a story, though Liam could not understand the language. The ice was so clear that he could see layers of trapped air inside, like bubbles frozen in time. It was beautiful and mysterious, all at once. Then Liam noticed movement. At first, he thought it was a trick of the light or a shadow cast by the ice formations. But it was real. A small object shifted near one of the walls. He stepped closer, careful not to slip. The object was smooth and round, glowing faintly in the blue light. Liam knelt beside it, shining his flashlight directly on it. The object was unlike anything he had ever seen. It pulsed gently, almost like it was alive. The humming seemed to respond to it, growing louder when he touched the ice near the object. Liam realized he had discovered something extraordinary. This was not just a hole in the glacier. It was a hidden chamber, containing something ancient and mysterious. He examined the ice around the glowing object. The symbols on the walls seemed to point toward it, forming a path of patterns leading to the center. Liam felt a rush of excitement. Perhaps the glacier had been keeping this secret for centuries, waiting for someone brave enough to find it. He carefully moved around the chamber, shining his light on the other ice formations. Each one was different, some tall and narrow, others short and wide. They all reflected the blue glow, creating a mesmerizing pattern of light and shadows. Liam realized that the chamber was much larger than he thought. The glowing object was just one part of it. There could be more secrets hidden in the deeper sections. Suddenly, a faint crack echoed through the chamber. Liam froze. The ice beneath him trembled slightly. The humming changed, becoming stronger and more rhythmic. Liam stepped back, gripping his rope tightly. He realized the glacier was not just a silent structure. It was alive in its own way, responding to his presence. He felt a mixture of awe and caution. He could explore, but he had to be careful. The chamber had secrets, and some of them might be dangerous. Despite the fear, Liam's curiosity pushed him forward. He moved closer to the glowing object, studying it carefully. It was smooth and warm, unlike the cold ice around it. The glow pulsed in rhythm with the humming, and Liam felt a strange connection to it. He touched it gently, and the sound seemed to surround him, vibrating through the chamber like a welcoming song. It was as if the glacier had been waiting for him to arrive. 4 hours, Liam explored the chamber. He sketched the symbols on the walls, recorded the glowing object with his camera, and carefully examined every ice formation. The humming never stopped. It filled the space like a soft music that guided him. Liam knew he had discovered something remarkable. This chamber, hidden for centuries, held mysteries that no one had ever seen. He felt proud, amazed, and slightly nervous. The glacier had secrets, and he had found the first clue. As night approached above the glacier, Liam knew he had to climb back. He carefully tied his ropes, double-checked his equipment, and looked around the chamber one last time. The glowing object pulsed gently, as if saying goodbye. Liam whispered to himself, "I will return. I will uncover the rest of your story." He began his ascent, carrying the knowledge of something extraordinary hidden beneath the ice. The glacier hummed around him, almost like a soft farewell, as he climbed toward the surface, thinking about what he had discovered and what awaited him in the deeper parts. After returning to the surface, Liam could not stop thinking about the glowing object in the glacier's chamber. He felt a mixture of excitement and determination. The glacier had kept its secret for centuries, but now he knew that something extraordinary lay beneath the ice. He needed to understand it better, and he knew he had to return. The next morning, Liam prepared again. He packed extra ropes, more lights, and additional supplies. He wanted to spend more time exploring the hidden chamber, and he knew the glacier could be unpredictable. The sun had just risen, painting the frozen landscape in shades of gold and blue. Liam's boots crunched against the ice as he walked toward the massive hole. The humming sound from the glacier was faint, but he felt it in the air, guiding him forward. As he approached the edge of the hole, Liam paused to take in the view. The glacier stretched endlessly in all directions, shining under the winter sunlight. The hole yawned below him, dark and mysterious. He tightened the rope around a sturdy ice pillar, checking it carefully. Every detail mattered in a place like this. One wrong step could be dangerous. Liam took a deep breath, adjusted his helmet light, and began his descent. The familiar sound of humming grew louder as he went deeper. This time, Liam was more confident. He had seen part of the chamber before, and he understood how to move safely. The ice walls were smooth, polished by centuries of cold winds and melting snow. Shadows danced across the walls, reflecting the faint blue glow from deeper inside. Liam paused to admire the beauty. Even in the silence and cold, the glacier seemed alive, full of energy and mystery. When he reached the bottom, Liam felt a shiver run down his spine. The chamber seemed even larger than before. The glowing object pulsed softly, as if welcoming him back. He shone his flashlight across the walls and noticed something he had missed before. Faint patterns ran along the ice, forming shapes that resembled figures. They looked like humans, animals, and strange creatures, carved in perfect detail. Liam's eyes widened. The markings were not random. They told a story. He knelt down to study the glowing object. Its warmth was gentle, not burning, and the glow was mesmerizing. The object seemed to respond to his presence, pulsing faster when he touched the ice nearby. Liam wondered if it had been left by someone long ago, or if it was a natural creation of the glacier itself. The way it glowed and moved with the rhythm of the humming made him think it had a purpose. Something important, hidden for centuries. Liam explored the chamber slowly, carefully examining each ice formation. Some formations were tall and narrow, like frozen trees. Others were short and wide, forming arches and pathways that led deeper into the ice. The symbols on the walls guided him, almost like a map. Liam followed the patterns, feeling that they would lead him to something even more remarkable. He had a sense of anticipation, a feeling that the greatest discovery was still ahead. As he moved deeper, the humming sound became stronger. It no longer felt distant, it vibrated through the floor, the walls, and even through Liam's body. He paused to listen carefully. The rhythm had a pattern, repeating in waves. Liam realized that the glacier was communicating in its own way, using the sound and the ice to send a message. He touched the walls, tracing the patterns with his gloved fingers. The ice was smooth, yet the symbols were raised slightly. Someone or something had created them with care, leaving a trail for explorers to find. Suddenly, Liam noticed a narrow passage hidden behind a large ice formation. The glow from the object illuminated the entrance, revealing that it led further into the glacier. He felt a surge of excitement. This must be where the true secret lay. He carefully squeezed through the passage, holding his flashlight high. The walls were close together, and the air was colder here. Every step echoed in the narrow space, blending with the deep humming sound. Liam could feel the vibration through his boots and hands. At the end of the passage, the chamber opened again. This space was larger, almost like a hidden hall carved from ice. The walls shimmered with a soft blue glow, brighter than before. In the center of the hall, Liam saw something incredible. A pool of liquid ice reflected the glowing light, perfectly still. The pool was surrounded by ice pillars, each etched with symbols and patterns similar to those he had seen before. The humming was loudest here, as if the glacier itself was alive and protecting this hidden space. Liam approached the pool carefully. The glow from the object pulsed faster as he neared. He could see something beneath the surface. Shapes moved slowly, shimmering with the same soft blue light as the ice walls. Liam realized that the pool was not ordinary ice. It held something inside, something ancient and powerful. His heart raced with excitement and awe. He had found a secret that no one had discovered before. He knelt beside the pool, shining his light into the depths. Strange formations swirled beneath the surface, glowing softly. The shapes looked like frozen creatures, caught in a moment of time. Liam traced the edges of the pool with his hands, careful not to slip. The ice was smooth, yet it seemed alive, responding to his touch. The humming sound changed again, almost like it was welcoming him, acknowledging that he had come this far. 4 hours, Liam studied the hidden hall. He sketched the symbols, photographed the glowing object, and recorded the strange movements in the pool. The patterns on the ice walls seemed to tell a story of a long-lost civilization or an ancient natural phenomenon. He could not be sure which, but the mystery fascinated him. Liam felt that he had uncovered the first part of something extraordinary, something that would change the way people thought about glaciers and the secrets they could hide. As he explored, he noticed another detail. Small tunnels led away from the main hall, carved carefully into the ice. They were narrow but sturdy, like pathways created for movement inside the glacier. Liam wondered where they led. The patterns on the walls seemed to guide him, pointing toward the tunnels. He felt a mixture of curiosity and caution. He could explore them now, but he needed to record everything first. The glacier had revealed a secret, but it might reveal even more if he followed the tunnels carefully. Liam paused to rest near the glowing object. He felt a sense of connection to the glacier, as if it had been waiting for him to arrive. The humming surrounded him, filling the hall with a gentle rhythm. He realized that the glacier was not just ice and snow. It was a place of wonder, holding secrets that had survived for centuries. Liam smiled, feeling proud and amazed. He had discovered something remarkable, and he knew this was only the beginning of the adventure. Finally, as the sun began to set above the glacier, Liam prepared to climb back to the surface. He carefully tied his ropes, checked his equipment, and took one last look at the glowing pool. The ice shimmered, pulsing softly in the fading light. Liam whispered to himself, "I will return. There is more to see, more to understand." He began his ascent, carrying with him the knowledge of a hidden world beneath the ice and the promise of even greater discoveries waiting ahead. The next morning, Liam returned to the glacier with renewed determination. The glowing object and the hidden hall had captivated him, but he knew the adventure was far from over. There were tunnels beneath the glacier, narrow and mysterious, waiting to be explored. He checked his gear carefully, making sure the ropes were secure, the lights were fully charged, and the camera was ready to capture everything. The cold air bit at his cheeks, but he felt a warm excitement inside. Liam approached the hole and tied his rope to the same ice pillar he had used before. The massive opening yawned below him, dark and silent except for the faint hum of the glacier. He carefully began his descent, feeling the familiar thrill of entering the unknown. As he went deeper, the light from above dimmed, and the blue glow from the ice walls grew stronger. The humming was constant now, filling the air with a rhythm that felt almost like a heartbeat. Liam followed the sound, letting it guide him toward the tunnels he had discovered the day before. Reaching the bottom of the chamber, Liam moved toward one of the narrow passages. The entrance was small, just wide enough for him to squeeze through, but it opened into a much larger space inside. The walls were smooth and icy, reflecting his light in soft patterns. He noticed more symbols along the walls, similar to the ones in the hall. They seemed to form a path, pointing him forward. Liam's heart raced. He had no idea what awaited him, but he felt that it would be extraordinary. He walked carefully along the icy path. The humming grew louder, stronger, and more alive. It vibrated through the walls and the floor, filling Liam with a strange energy. He paused to study the symbols. Some of them looked like people walking, others like animals, and a few resembled objects he could not identify. It was almost like a story carved in ice. Liam traced the patterns with his gloved fingers, feeling a connection to the glacier and the secrets it held. The tunnel widened into a large chamber, and Liam gasped. The space was filled with ice formations unlike any he had seen before. Towering pillars rose from the floor, some reaching the ceiling, glowing faintly with the blue light of the glacier. Between the pillars, frozen structures resembled arches and bridges, as if the glacier had been carefully sculpted over centuries. The symbols on the walls here were more complex, telling a story that Liam could not yet understand. In the center of the chamber, he noticed a larger glowing object. It was similar to the one he had seen in the hall but bigger, brighter, and more vibrant. The object pulsed gently, casting waves of light across the icy walls. The humming grew louder when he approached it, vibrating through his body and making his heartbeat quicken. Liam reached out carefully, placing his gloved hand near the object. The glow seemed to respond, brightening with every motion. He felt an incredible sense of wonder. As he examined the area, Liam noticed something moving beneath the ice. Shadows shifted in the glowing light, forming shapes that seemed alive. He shone his flashlight on them and saw that the ice had trapped formations resembling animals frozen in motion. Some appeared to be walking, others jumping or running. It was as if the glacier had captured moments from a long-lost time, preserving them perfectly. Liam marveled at the sight. He had never imagined anything like this. Suddenly, the humming changed. It became softer, more melodic, almost like a song. Liam stopped to listen carefully. The vibration of the glacier seemed to guide him toward another passage he had not noticed before. The walls here were narrower, but the glow from the ice illuminated a path forward. Liam felt a mixture of excitement and caution. The glacier had revealed another secret, and he knew he had to follow it. He entered the passage carefully. The tunnel wound deeper into the glacier, curving and twisting like a frozen river. The air grew colder, and the hum of the glacier vibrated around him. As he moved forward, he noticed faint traces of movement in the ice walls, almost like patterns left by something alive. Liam followed the glowing path, wondering what he would discover at the end. His heart beat faster with every step. Finally, the tunnel opened into an enormous chamber. Liam could hardly believe his eyes. The space was filled with massive ice formations, glowing softly and arranged like a hall. The floor was smooth and reflective, almost like a mirror. In the center stood the largest glowing object he had seen so far. It pulsed brightly, casting light across the chamber and illuminating the walls covered with intricate symbols. The humming now surrounded him completely, vibrating in harmony with the pulsing object. Liam stepped closer to the object. It was warm to the touch, though the air around it remained icy. He shone his flashlight across the walls and noticed that the symbols formed a complete story, unlike the random patterns he had seen before. The images told of a hidden world beneath the glacier, of creatures, people, and events that no one had ever known. The glacier had preserved their memory, keeping it safe for centuries. Liam realized he had stumbled upon something far greater than he had imagined. He walked carefully around the chamber, examining every ice pillar, every pattern on the walls. Each formation seemed to connect with the glowing object in the center. Liam felt that the glacier itself had been built to protect this secret, a hidden world waiting to be discovered by someone brave enough to explore its depths. The pulsing glow and the humming created a sense of harmony, as if the glacier was alive and communicating with him. Hours passed as Liam documented everything. He took photographs, recorded videos, and sketched the symbols in his notebook. The more he explored, the more he understood that the glacier was not just a frozen landscape. It was a living archive, a place that had captured history and preserved it in ice. Liam felt honored to witness it firsthand. He knew the discovery would shock everyone once it was revealed. Before leaving, Liam touched the central glowing object one last time. The pulse of light seemed to respond to his touch, brighter and more rhythmic. He felt a strange connection, as if the glacier had acknowledged his presence. Liam whispered to himself, "I will return. There is more to see, and I must understand it all." Carefully, he began his ascent, retracing the tunnels and passages that had led him to the hidden chamber. The humming followed him, softening as he moved toward the surface. Reaching the top of the glacier, Liam looked out over the frozen landscape. The sun was setting, painting the ice in shades of orange and pink. He felt a mix of exhaustion and excitement. He had uncovered a hidden world beneath the glacier, a place full of mysteries, glowing objects, and stories frozen in time. Liam knew this was only the beginning. The next expedition would reveal even more, and the world would soon learn the secrets of the glacier. Liam returned to the glacier the next day, determined to uncover the full secret hidden beneath the ice. The previous explorations had amazed him, but now he felt a stronger pull toward the deepest parts of the tunnels. Every glowing object, every pattern on the walls, every pulse of light seemed to call him forward. The glacier was alive with mysteries, and Liam knew he was close to the ultimate discovery. He packed his gear carefully, checking ropes, lights, and camera equipment. The cold air burned his cheeks as he approached the massive hole. The glacier was calm this morning, but the humming was louder than ever, vibrating through the ice like a message he could almost understand. Liam tied his rope securely to the ice pillar and began his descent. Every step into the icy darkness felt like entering another world. Reaching the familiar lower chamber, Liam moved quickly but cautiously toward the passage he had discovered earlier. The narrow tunnel led deeper than he had ever gone before. The walls of ice reflected his flashlight in soft blue patterns, creating shadows that danced like living creatures. The symbols along the walls seemed to guide him, pointing toward a destination hidden deep within the glacier. Liam followed them carefully, feeling a mixture of excitement and wonder. The tunnel opened into an enormous chamber, unlike any he had seen before. The space was vast, stretching beyond what his light could illuminate. Towering ice pillars surrounded a central glowing object, brighter and larger than all the others. The pulse of light seemed to fill the entire chamber, and the humming was so strong it vibrated through Liam's chest. He stepped closer, awe filling him. This was the heart of the glacier, the place where its greatest secret had been preserved for centuries. Liam examined the central object. It was smooth and perfectly round, radiating warmth despite the icy chamber around it. As he touched it gently, the glow intensified, casting the entire space in brilliant blue light. Then he noticed something extraordinary. Beneath the surface of the ice, shapes began to move. Figures appeared, slowly forming and shifting. They were not shadows or illusions. They looked like frozen images of creatures and people, but now they were animated, shimmering as if awakening after centuries of stillness. He shone his flashlight across the chamber, watching the glowing forms. Some figures resembled ancient humans, wearing clothing and carrying tools. Others were animals, some familiar, some unlike anything Liam had ever seen. The formations moved in a coordinated way, telling a story without words. Liam realized he was witnessing a preserved history, frozen in ice but now revealing itself through the glow of the object. The humming seemed to guide the movements, a rhythm that connected everything in the chamber. Liam felt a surge of excitement and wonder. The glacier had not only hidden objects and patterns, it had preserved an entire living story, a memory of a forgotten world. Every pulse of the glowing object brought the figures to life, showing moments of life, movement, and interaction frozen for centuries. The walls of ice were covered in symbols, and now Liam understood. They were instructions, a record, a way to preserve this memory through time. As he stepped closer to the largest formations, Liam noticed that the glowing object was not the only source of energy in the chamber. Small, glowing points appeared along the ice walls, pulsing softly in rhythm with the central object. Together, they formed a network of light, connecting the entire chamber and its frozen history. Liam realized that the glacier had created a system to protect and reveal its secret, a hidden archive built by nature itself over countless years. He moved carefully through the chamber, documenting everything with his camera. The figures seemed to respond to his presence, moving slightly faster or changing positions when he approached. Liam marveled at the intelligence and harmony of the space. It was not just ice, it was a living memory, a record of life and movement preserved perfectly beneath the glacier. He could feel a deep connection to the place, as if the glacier trusted him to witness its story. Suddenly, Liam noticed a small opening behind one of the large ice pillars. The glow from the central object illuminated a narrow path, pulsing in a brighter rhythm. He felt drawn toward it, sensing that the final secret lay beyond. Carefully, he made his way through the opening, squeezing past the frozen formations. The humming grew stronger, filling his entire body with a sense of energy and anticipation. The narrow passage opened into a small, hidden chamber at the very heart of the glacier. In the center, surrounded by glowing ice, was a massive crystal formation unlike anything Liam had seen. It was clear and radiant, with veins of light running through it in every direction. The glowing object he had followed before seemed to be connected to this crystal, sending pulses of light through its veins. Liam could feel the power of the formation, a natural wonder that radiated energy and life. As he approached the crystal, Liam noticed something remarkable. Embedded within it were tiny shapes, almost like miniature figures frozen inside. They shimmered with light, moving gently as the pulses traveled through the crystal. Liam realized these were the earliest memories preserved by the glacier, small but full of detail and life. It was as if the glacier had recorded the world itself, from the smallest creatures to the largest moments of activity. The humming had guided him here, leading him to the most important secret of all. Liam spent hours examining the crystal and the chamber. Every pulse of light brought new forms into view, showing events, creatures, and stories long forgotten. The ice and crystal worked together to preserve these moments perfectly, creating a living archive of the glacier's history. Liam felt humbled. He had discovered something beyond imagination, a natural wonder that connected the past and present in a way no human had ever seen. As the hours passed, Liam realized it was time to return to the surface. He carefully took photographs, recorded videos, and made sketches of the chamber and the crystal. The glowing object in the center pulsed gently, almost like a farewell, as if the glacier was acknowledging his presence and granting him permission to leave. Liam whispered, "I will share your story. Everyone must see this. The world must know." Climbing back through the tunnels, Liam felt a sense of awe and responsibility. He had discovered something extraordinary, a secret that no one else had seen. The glacier had preserved a history of life, movement, and energy, hidden for centuries. It had tested him, guided him, and now trusted him to witness and record its wonders. Every pulse of light, every hum, and every frozen figure told a story that would astonish the world. Reaching the top of the glacier, Liam looked out at the frozen landscape. The sun was setting, casting golden light across the ice. He felt a mixture of relief, excitement, and wonder. The glacier had revealed its deepest secret to him, a story preserved in ice and light for generations. Liam knew this was an adventure he would never forget. He had uncovered the ultimate mystery, one that would shock everyone who heard about it. Liam stood at the edge of the glacier for a long time, thinking about everything he had discovered. The tunnels, the glowing objects, the chambers, and the massive crystal were all part of a hidden world beneath the ice, a world preserved perfectly by nature itself. He knew that scientists, explorers, and historians would be amazed. The glacier had revealed its secret to him, and now it was his task to share it with the world. With one last look at the glowing ice and the humming that seemed to linger in the air, Liam turned and began the long journey back to the village. His mind was filled with the stories, the light, and the mysteries of the glacier. He knew he had witnessed something extraordinary, a natural wonder beyond imagination. The world outside would never believe the beauty and complexity he had seen, but Liam knew the truth. The glacier had kept its secret for centuries, and now it had chosen him to reveal it.